One thing I have learned during exam preparation is this: the students who succeed aren't necessarily the ones who study the longest. They are the ones who revise the smartest. A good handbook doesn't replace hard work, it multiplies the effectiveness of your hard work. Instead of wasting time what to study and what not, you can focus on actually learning and practicing. Welcome back to Scholar's Psyche, where preparation isn't about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. Today I am excited to share with you an ultimate NEET revision handbook compiled to make your revision faster, more effective, and stress free for botany. Think of this as your pocket mentor for NEET preparation. So, what makes this handbook special? Inside, you will find concise chapter wise revision notes, important NCERT highlights, frequently overlooked points, easy to understand diagrams, topic wise questions to test your understanding, questions designed to strengthen conceptual clarity, a handy resource for daily revision sessions and final exam preparation. Whether you are revising after coaching, self studying at home, or preparing for mock tests, this handbook is designed to save your time and improve retention. I have made this handbook available for you all. Download it, keep it on your phone, tablet, or print a copy and make it your companion through your NEET journey. If you appreciate resources like this and want more handbooks, mock tests, revision sheets, and exam oriented content, make sure to subscribe to Scholars Psyche. Also, comment below and tell me which subject handbook you'd like me to upload next for free. Remember, preparation becomes powerful when revision becomes a habit. One chapter revised today is one less chapter panic about tomorrow. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay curious, and keep building the mindset that earns ranks. This is only a 143-paged PDF which you can print easily at the end of the video.